Hello and welcome to another video of Vice First. ChatGPT is one of the most trending topics right now, and it's instilling a high level of curiosity in whoever hears about it for the first time. What exactly is making it so powerful? In this video, we'll be looking at how to use this powerful language model to complete our day-to-day tasks. ChatGPT is a way for prompting an AI to solve and answer a question or a prompt. This generates human-like responses to user input. It is trained on a large dataset of human-generated text and is able to generate new text that is similar in style and content to the input it was trained on. The best part about ChatGPT is it is entirely free at this time. Now, if you want to check things yourself, simply follow the instructions that I'd be sharing with you in this video. We'll be using the web application chat.openai.com. So now first of all you'll have to go to the Google search page and you'll just type ChatGPT over here. This will take you to the first web page. Now you'll have to select the first link, this one, openai.com. This will take you to the blog on ChatGPT. If you want to learn more about what exactly is ChatGPT, how is it programmed, and more details about it, you can just scroll down to this page and you can check it. Otherwise, we'll just be going towards the try portion. Now, if you have an account, you can simply log in, and if you want to sign up, you can just simply sign it up. And this is a very easy process. I already have an account, so I'll be logging into it. I will just continue with Google. Vice first. Okay, so this is the main game changer, ChatGPT window. Now, if you want to learn more about what exactly it does, if you want to change the mode, you can do it here. If you want to clear the conversations, you can just go there. Now, this is the main page. To use chatbot, simply enter a prompt in your message field and click send button. This one, which is right here. The chatbot will generate a response based on your prompt and display it in the chat window. You can then enter another prompt and click send to continue the conversation. One of the benefits of using ChatGPT is that it is very easy to use. You don't need any special programming skills or knowledge of machine learning to get started. Tips and tricks to use ChatGPT. Here are some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of ChatGPT. Start with a clear and concise prompt. A clear and concise prompt will help the model understand the task at hand and generate more accurate and relevant results. Provide enough context. Providing the model with enough context will help it generate more accurate and relevant results. This can include providing background information, setting the scene, or providing a specific question. Use specific and precise language. Using specific and precise language will help the model understand the task at hand and generate more accurate and relevant results. Use control codes to fine-tune the generated text. Many ChatGPT web applications come with control codes that allow you to fine-tune the generated text, such as controlling the level of formality or controlling the inclusion of specific words and phrases. Use the continuation feature to generate multiple outputs. Many ChatGPT applications have a continuation feature that allows you to generate multiple outputs based on the given prompt, which can be useful for generating multiple variations of the same output. Be mindful of the context. ChatGPT can generate a wide range of responses depending on the prompt, so always be sure to read the generated text very carefully. Now we will be looking at 10 uses of ChatGPT that can help us in our daily routine. Generating product descriptions, text summarization, offering mental health support, writing creative content, generating code and programming examples, generating personalized emails, generating scripts for movies, TV shows, and stage plays, generating financial reports, forecasts, and business plans, generating social media posts, comments, and captions, generating news articles and news summaries. So first one is generating a product descriptions. I would just write over here, create a product description for my premium polo shirts online brand. And you can see the magic. So ChatGPT is like writing everything for you here. So the next thing that we are going to do is text summarization. I already have copied some text and I'll be pasting this right here and giving a command, please summarize this text for me. And see, this is the manner how it summarized the text for me. And if you'll just go and check the plagiarism, you'll find that it is 100% original content and there is no repetition at all. One of the most important things that ChatGPT can do for us is that it can provide us mental health support, although it is highly recommended to go to the psychiatrist yourself. But if you want to take some help from ChatGPT, you can always talk to it because it's a chatbot and it replies to whatever you ask for it from it. So I'll just say that I am feeling a bit low today. Can you please help me out? Let's see what it says. So in this world, when everyone is so much busy, and there are times when you need people around you and you want to vent out things and you cannot, so you can just go to ChatGPT and you can just talk to it and tell it about yourself, and you can get responses from it the way you want. So ChatGPT can also write some creative content for me. So I'll just ask it to write one for me, right? An essay on how to have a productive routine in 150 words, just to be a bit specific. Now I'd be asking ChatGPT to write a programming code for me. So I'll just say write code in Python for tic-tac-toe, and I'll just send it on. So just see how amazing this is, that it is exactly writing a code for you in Python language, and it would make every programmer's life very much easy if they just keep on working with this model. I can also ask ChatGPT to write a personalized email for me. For instance, I wanted to write an email for please write a resignation email for me. Okay. You can always just go to Word document and you can just tailor the text the way you want it to be, and you can change anything if you want in this one. ChatGPT can also write play scripts for you, so I can just try one write a small play script for me. And here it goes, it's defining all the characters in the first place. And now it's writing the dialogue for me. At any given point, if I wanted like just to stop it right there, I'll just press stop. And I think that this is enough for you if you want to see to stop. That's it. The next important thing that ChatGPT can do for me is that it can create a business plan for me. So I'll just give an example where I create a business plan for my online polo shirts store. And here it goes. So in the business plan, from the executive summary, you have plan, operation plan, everything end to end. How easy it is to just ask ChatGPT everything that's available. So in the business plan, it is creating everything for you, from the executive summary to marketing plan to operation plan to financial plan, everything end to end. How amazing it is to just ask ChatGPT to create everything for you that's in the flow. And now, if I specifically want it to create a social media campaign for me, so I'll just say, please design a social media campaign for my premium polo shirts online brand. And here it goes. So this is how it made the campaign for my online brand, hypothetical one, and it has covered each and every social media platform by creating this one. So just imagine if you already have this much information and guidance already in place, how easy it will become for you to create the campaign yourself and run it yourself. Now, the last thing that I would want to try is generating a news article or news summary for me. So I'll just write a command. Here it goes. So see how easy your work has just become by using this free model of ChatGPT. That's it for today's tutorial on how to use ChatGPT. We have provided a comprehensive overview of how to use ChatGPT. We have discussed the basic usage of the model, as well as some examples of how it can be applied in practice. From text generation, answering questions, to language translation, ChatGPT can be used for a variety of tasks. We hope that this video has helped you understand the capabilities of the model and how you can use it to improve your projects and make your workflow efficient. Remember that the model is constantly improving and new features are being added, so be sure to check the documentation and updates regularly. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing what you create with ChatGPT. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.